The Sony A6100 Mirrorless camera kit comes with a 24.2 megapixel Exmore CMOS image sensor, the latest Bionz X image processor, and a front-end LSI, delivering enhanced image quality and performance across all areas of photo and video capture. The camera boasts the world's fastest autofocus at 0.02 seconds, with real-time autofocus and object tracking. It features a wide 425-phase, 425 contrast detection autofocus points over 84% of the sensor. Up to 11 frames per second continuous shooting at 24.2 megapixel RAW with autofocus and auto exposure tracking is possible. The camera has a 3-inch touchscreen LCD that can tilt 180 degrees and comes with touch tracking that provides smooth, continuous focus tracking of your subject with a simple touch of the display screen. The Sony A6100 Mirrorless camera kit offers movie recording with a microphone and real-time autofocus tracking, real-time eye autofocus for human and animal, and an ISO up to 51,200.